Elijah, we need to add the 150. Boom! Let's roll. Just to take it all away. We got to restart. Let me do my thing. Let me do my thing. Let's sync the clocks. Synchronize swatches. Synchronized swatches. Who used to watch that show? Parker Lewis Can't Lose. Oh, I remember. I remember. Don't worry, worry, worry. Hold on one second, guys. Syncing the clock. Good morning, everyone. That's a good morning to you. It looks like it's bullish on the smallest time frame.
Order filled.
Wait, what? Why does it say order filled?
Order filled.
Why does it always say that? There's no orders. Parker Lewis Can't Lose. Synchronized swatches. What is this 185? Yeah, what is that? They didn't. There we go. Okay, all right. All right, let me make sure I got everything working here. I have to do something to this. Everybody bear with me. Thank you. Error. We got some good looking charts, folks. It's loading. It's somewhere. It's loading too many days. There we go. I'll look at that here in just a minute. Hope everybody's doing well. We got the Miami Vice colors rolling. Rolling, 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 rolling. What? All right, we're loaded. Let me get up to date here. I hope everybody's doing well. Synchronized swatches complete. Now, here's the deal. If you turn off your live connection to NinjaTrader and you turn off your Apex connection or whatever you're using, and you sync your time to the atomic clock, it really helps with the orange orders. Oh, Eli. You slide. Oh, look at you. He was waiting for me to see that. Where's he at? Where are you at? Look at you. Look at you. Oh, shucks. Oh, shucks. Stop. You shouldn't have. Okay, Delta's kind of slipping here. Delta is down about 20% from where it was. Now, yes, it sounds like a drastic number, but nonetheless, we've broken the rupture in the Delta. So is the next signal a sell signal? If it is, take it. If you do decide to do something like that, I would look at something along the lines of very, very light, if at all. Okay, going to the larger time frames. I'm going to do a little bit of narrative, and then I'm going to do what I need to do to get my trading ready. I really like these colors. Tell me if you guys like these colors. Not these ones. These ones. Okay, this is the box of death or life. Okay, 69.31. Okay, to 69.62. So as we approach 62, we're going to be watching that level. All right.
Yellow bar alert.
Oh, yellow bar, 2 minute.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
I'm gonna wait. I need more clarity. I don't want my first trade to be counter trend here. And to me, I want it up in a block, right? We want it up where they could reject it if they're going to. All right, so on the daily chart, here's what I see. All right, I see apprehension. Positive optimistic apprehension. All right. And so we want to watch this level. Plain and simple. That's what we're doing. We're watching the level, making sure that it's not going to break or it is going to break. One or the other, right? On the 4 hour. Right back into congestion. Lots of external liquidity here. This is a weird, yeah, this gap. So the opening bar, 6965, right? So 6965 to 6962 is what we're watching. And where are we at? We're right in the middle of that. We want to watch what way does it go from that. Okay. All right, so this is the 15-minute, and it's just resting right on top of it. Okay, where's the brick? Where's the brick and mortar? Way up here. We're in it. Right on. It's resting right on top of this. Okay, well that's where we're at. That's where we're at. So I want to see which way do we move away from this thing, because look at this little strip right here. They're just playing the game. Now, looking at looking at delta, it's flat sideways, doesn't mean anything. Okay, let's start at the 15-minute PV 200. Up, up, and up. All right, up, up, and up. But we're on top, so we're waiting. We want to see what happens what happens to the buyers if we take a pullback. Do they dissipate? Okay, now the next one is the 5-minute price. But VWAP is just now. How do you make it full size on here? I wish it was that easy. If we look at the same chart here, VWAP just turned above it, but price is not pushing through it. Okay, on the 2-minute, it's long in the tooth. We've got the VWAP below the 200 symbol. Red flag. Okay, so sweeping the leg on yellow is not a bad idea.
Order submitted.
Folks, my breath is not right. Here's the deal. I have to cancel this order
Order canceled.
because I have stuff to do before I can take a trade. Okay, I do believe this could come down a little bit. I am not in the place to take the trade yet. Okay, I'm going to put the be right back sign on. Fomotino.
Oh, I get what you're saying. I got it from here, guy. Wink. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Why won't you listen to me?
I'm going to take a quick stroll, folks. I'm going to get this heart rate up a little bit up, and I'm going to get the breath going here. You do have yellow, first yellow after a long move. It's and then on the 1-minute, you still have the same thing, kind of earlier though. I shall return.
Blue bar alert.
All right, looks like we're getting a little bit of a sell here. Up again. The oak today. Right. Do they drop it even more? We're right back in the bottom of that band on the 15-minute. Hit the club and get one of them. You're so not. Show me what you're working with, just like that. Turn around, bend over, bring it back. All right. Good, 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 good. First, I'm going to stack some flow. 43 1R, 43 1R from 50s. Hit the club and get one of them. Uh, uh. First, I'm going to stack my flow. Then I'm going to stack some more.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Okay, one R is 43.50 right here. 43.25, excuse me. Okay, what do we do with this level? 31, remember? Dropper. 31, remember. There's your 2 and 5, Martin. Without your 15.
Blue bar alert.
There's your 15. 15's backwards. Yeah, 15 is backwards. So that's a long ways down to flip that VWAP, Martin. Think about what the average price would have to be. I'm not saying they're going to do it, but... And I'm just looking at it this way, Martin. This very, very simple way right here. Just... Damn. Blue after blue after blue after blue after blue. Thank you. Joey says 36 is the CS, the crime scene off of 6975, so you got to be careful. What time frame, Joey? Thank you. By the way, I was just about to push the sell button until you said that. Now I'm not touching it.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Stop down.
Order canceled.
Free trade. I'm on the 10 range.
Stop
Out.
flow.
Scratch. One tick rig. Yeah, it's time to kick some butt. That's right. Yeah, it just feels late. So I'm on the smallest time frame that I got. Right. So I'm on the 10 range here, which produces good results if you're trading with the trend after a failed attempt. Right. So but I could have swept the leg, right, and made money there. Perfect failed attempt of a long, right? I try to break out and then they smack them. So I was a little late, but you be like that. But I do. But I do. Can you feel the sunshine? Make it brighter. Make it brighter for me. Possible 3-bar play on the 15, on the 5, excuse me.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order, order submitted.
Uh-oh. Watching 24s. You might be in late.
Order filled. Order submitted.
There we
Order
go.
filled.
Light sweep out. I have a yellow on the 10 range, but I have to declare it not valid because your 5 and 2 are down. They're trying to push the 15 down. I'm looking for 24, 25. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. We got leg sweep. Come on. And then I'll have one left of okay, now I got one left of 5 or 6.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Average of 32, 32 half price. So I'm 10 points to the good. Okay, we're just going to ride this. Very green, very green. Come on.
Order submitted.
Okay, you have a hole at 22.25. You got a hole at 22.25. Come on, one more big push. One more big push, okay, and then we'll close into that. Okay, 1725, right?
Order
I see it.
submitted.
I see it. Come on.
Order
Okay,
filled.
out. Oh, that was long.
Order filled.
They're smacking them. They're smacking them. Look, everything told us sell, 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 blue, 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 sell, 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 right? So where did you get in, right? And that's why we didn't take the yellow long, because think about it. It instantly gave you a sell at 28 that said you better get short or you're going to get your... Wow. Free fall. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Don't think like that. Okay, if you got any left, good job. 17 was a bad idea to close. Oh my God. Oh, ah. Good job, those of you that stayed short. Oh, let's roll. Start closing the windows. Start closing the windows. Pull your stop down to about 16. I just left 10, 11 points on the table. I'm very happy with my result. Great job, Alpha. Everybody spam. Spam Team Green. Spam Alpha. Some Stay Frosty. There's your OOs. There's your OOs. There's your OO. There's your O no's. They got him. They got him, and we knew it, right? We had so many things telling us to sell, 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 sell.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
No fail. No fail. Okay, almost see yesterday's low. I tried to get filled at the break of the OOs. No fill.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Okay, break even +1. Going for it. Okay, target's 89.25. Oh, missed it.
Stop.
Oh, no. It missed it. It turned around. Oh, so close. That's all right. I got +1. Or +2, whatever. Oh, that was so close. What happened? Why did it not fill me? Oh, it didn't go low enough. It went to 90.75. Okay, 90.91, 90.75. Okay. There's the, damn, there was my target right there. Nope, not yet.
Order filled. Target filled.
Capitulation.
Order submitted. Order
Missed it.
canceled.
I just tried to buy 90. Or 80, whatever that number is. 79. Complete no fill. Complete no fill. Oh my god, that was so easy. Oh no. I was just gonna go for 2 or 3 points. Oh, look at that. It's ah. That's okay. Next. That's okay. Remember, we're going for base hits, everybody. Everybody's trying to hit these home runs, and it's like, look, that's rare. Hit your base hits. Get your runners on base, right? Bring them around. Play the game of baseball, the real game, not the I got to hit it over the fence like you're 12 years old. Let's go, Chad. He bought 80. He bought 79. Ooh, they just smoked him. $83.50. I just missed it. It was too quick. Look at your 10 range. Pop it off. Look at that. Look at that. 83.50. Wow. On. Okay, if take a look at your line on close. Do you see how it has a lower high, high or low? Excuse me. Yeah, I see it, Nick. But just be careful, right? It could downtick to 80 from 84. There's a big hole at 82, Nick. 1 by 136. Do you see it? Careful. There it feels. I mean, you could have taken 8 points, been happier than a clam and sand. That was destruction. Longs didn't like that bar. Sweep on the 10 rain. Why is it not printing that bar? Cracker Barrel? Who is loving this? Raise your hand. Hey, Team Green, let's see some test fun Lambo. Look at it, crack it. Oh my God, look at that.
Order filled. Stop filled.
I'm up 70 cents in that account. Nice.
Order filled.
Right up into the V pocket of the previous bar. Push. No.
Order filled.
$74s. Let's see if they fake them all out and dump it. This thing's moving fast. That's why I'm just trading one contract in one account. He owns 980. Gotta go now. Boom.
Order filled. Order submitted.
With a stop of. Yep. Okay. Back down here.
Order
Yeah.
canceled.
Yeah. 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 Cancel the add order. We
Order
already
canceled.
hit our target. Back to 1. That was beautiful. Okay, it gave us a perfect stretch down into 1R at 78. Yep, it gave me 78 quarter. Okay, so there's stretchy stretch, right? There's stretchy stretch. Good. Let's get some 64s. Can we? Two R is 74. So 3R would be 70. 66 would be 4R. Okay, there's a new 1 minute sell. 76.75. These are big stops on the 1 minute though. Whoa. You better be ready to play hardball if you're going to play on the 1 minute. Okay, there's 2R. Okay, stop down to 81.75. If you're short on the 1 minute, you got 69s. You getting? Okay, you have 1,700 bid at 72. 1,700 bid at 72. They're going to try to play some games. Yeah, come on. What are you doing? Get out of there. Dump. See, they have to get the supply, right? If that he's not there now, but he was, and he could be a hidden order now, right? Man, that scared him all the way back to my stop. Come on, fall. I'll put my stop at 2. They're gonna clip it.
Stop filled.
Yeah, fuck you. A 10 times better, if I make a 10 times better thumbnail for my live streams, will I consider it? You show me what you got, and then what we'll do is we'll take a vote of it. How about that? And welcome to the stream. I appreciate that. Submit contact at sageft.com. Thank you. Oh, I did all that for nothing. All that for negative 96. Wow.
Order filled.
Oh, that was a finger glitch. Yeah, that was supposed to be a long.
Order filled.
Oops. There's a yellow, you have a long yellow off of 79.50.
Target filled.
Okay, target fill. Just slightly red in that account, as you can see. I keep screwing up. It's pretty funny. So I'm not worried about it at all. This is great price action. It's going to give us what we want. I was a little bit late on the 79.50 there on the 10 range that says, hold on, everybody, hold on. It says, hold on. Yeah, Taran, what I'm thinking is if you're as good as you say you are, okay, and I say I'm as good as I say I am, We'll just trade. All right. We'll trade top tier talent for top tier talent. How about that? It's tight. It's the right way, though, right? Right, Tyson? It's the right way. Fuck, I was early. But the engulfing 1 minute. You see the engulfing 1 minute from 73.25. That was a clue. Like, hey, watch the 10 range. Watch the 10 range on the 1. Those of you that are new, welcome. Please hit the like button, subscribe, turn notification bells on. Folks, we're getting a lot of new people in here, so this is great. This is very, very welcome. Welcome. Everything that you see on the screen is basically automated, showing us when and where we think that the highest probability of the correct cards coming across the blackjack table could occur in the future. Right? It doesn't mean that the ace is going to come when you need it. It doesn't mean that the 10 is going to come, the 10 card is going to come when you need it. It's just saying that there's a higher probability of success at these levels. That's all it's telling us. That's it. It's not saying anything else. Okay? Don't forget we have a Discord. We got guys over there calling some trades that are out of this world. We got Joey, we got G-Man, we got Cam. If I forget you, I'm so sorry. Chad the Great. Sorry about that. I put it in the wrong one, guys. You can share that link with your friends in the Discord. We've got everybody in there. If I forgot you, I apologize.
Order filled. Order filled.
325 on the 1 minute. 3 even on the 1 minute. Excuse me. $84.25. 88.75, 97.25. I got it at the right spot. Okay. 97.25. And 0150. 1R and 2R. Come on, print.
Target filled.
Okay, we're coming up into the 2 minute 200 simple. Can we get through the OOs and get to 0150? Okay, I want this to go. I'm putting it right underneath that buy at 94.25. I want it to be above that. See, that's why I got rid of it. That's why I got rid of it. Wow, that account is struggling today. Come on now. Great trade, great trade, great trade. Great trade. All right. I'm going to chill out for a minute here because your delta is trying to make a nice little swing. Bada, 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 swing. Bada, bada. You have a large offer of 600 at 99.
Order filled.
Stop to break even +1. I'm trying to get that top. Top tick long close.
Target
Close.
filled.
There we go. +3 points. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. There. Phew. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Slow down. Slow down. Okay, we're coming into narrow state. You got a nasty 2-minute bar.
Order filled.
I wanted to stop right above that. I don't like. Come on, get down there. Go. Sell. Sell 96. Sell. Go down. Nope. Nope. I have a horrible stop, by the way. Oh, not filled. It's going to get filled now.
Stop filled.
Yep.
Order filled.
Ooh, there's my 0150. All right, so that can they fill the gap at 25? Wow, huh? You have a 775 target on the 1 minute. Wow. With a 575 add, I'll do it.
Order filled.
Trying to get back here.
Order submitted.
One more push. '98s.
Order canceled.
Okay, out. One left. $7.75 on the 1 minute. Oh, now there's another. So 99.75. Now there's another one. Yeah. 06 target. Okay. With the 87.25 stop. 80. An even larger stop. Yeah, I don't know about that. Push. Push. 06. Stops up. Stops up underneath that bar on the 1 minute. Free trade, free trade, free trade. 06. Okay, stops up 0150.
Stop
Out,
filled.
out, 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 out. Okay, out. It one ticked me out. Okay, now I'm gonna completely reset here because I'm really trying to work this account upwards and it's just floundering. All right, let's do a little review to get my brain right again here. Okay, so dip 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 dip. You guys like that? That's my Peter Griffin. Dip 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 dip. Okay, your 1 minute has been firing up and down. Your 10 range has been absolutely firing up and down. Now, just to be clear, on every chart, it's the same thing. All right, you can see it right. Oh, you can't see it right there. I apologize. Let me put it on the thing for you here. Okay. Oh, no, I have to, no. I have to put it on one of these. Hold on a second here. EMA, 200 SMA. Okay. On every chart. I'll leave that there. Okay. So the thought is we're just going to trade the momentum. And if there's no momentum, you just don't trade anything, right? Now, there was a huge, we were doing really, really good until there was a 1,700 bid right below us, right down here. And then they pulled it, and that was the bottom of the market. That was the bottom of the market. It ruined everybody's sell, right? It literally like, okay, here's the demand. Boom, it rips, and we don't have time to get out. They're just running stops now, okay?
Order filled.
There's 06.
Order filled.
We follow volume, right? And so what you don't see on this chart, okay, is I'm watching the time in sales. Look, I'm trading the footprint. So I'm watching the actual players inside each candle, right? So if we're looking at these square and square, okay, everybody's watching the scoreboard. Well, I'm watching the actual players on the field. Okay. So that's the advantage. That's the advantage that I have. That's the advantage you have of trading with me, right? How's everybody doing today? Not easy. If you didn't, here's the deal. If you didn't catch that easy one.
Order filled.
Okay, 1 minute target is 9s.
Order submitted.
OOs or 9s. OOs or 9s. Back inside value. Oh, they're trying to line break here on the 10 range. Oops. Oh and oh.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Forza. That was quick.
Order canceled.
Instant leg sweepletons. 09. Come on. Come on. 09. Come on. Try something harder. Come on. Try harder. Nice try. Oh, guess who's in at the bottom? That's right. Ya boy. Ya boy. Ya boy. Okay. 9. 1 minute chart. Unos momentos. Gráfica. Nina. 9. Oh, one tick Rick. Stop up. Oh, 525. Stop. Oh, don't come back. Go up. Up. 9. I'll go 475. Stop. 9. Now it's going to go straight 1116 for whoever just wished it. There you go. Boop. Out. Oh no. Yep. Who was at the low? Ya boy was at the low. That, you know what that means? That means they had to pull all those bids in front of mine to get me in there. You guys realize that, right? Because we're on the if it's on this simulator, it's on the Ninja Trader and the CME simulator, meaning the APQ is in play. Okay. Bam. Yeah, they got him. They got him. Now let's wait for the turn down. Wait for the turn down. Wait for it to confirm that they do not like that 91. Remember the 91. Remember 91. Good, 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 good. I'm going to take a step outside. I'm going to go breathe some fresh air, everybody. I'll be right back. Don't think I have had a breath for... Am I even in a trade? No. My little button here says no positions. Good. I'll be right back. We're kicking some ass. Listen, we're kicking ass and taking names. You see that? We have $14 of drawdown on that other account. You see that? That means we've had one tick of drawdown in that other account before it ripped higher. You guys see that? What about this dashboard that Elijah has created for us, folks? What do you think? We're going to add something else to it. We got another secret little stash we're going to put in it. Got a little catnip in there for you. Okay, you got another long. You got another. His name is Nathan. He's another.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Why is it not letting me? It won't let me close it. There was somebody smoking a cigarette. That's one of my least favorite smells.
Order submitted.
1050. 1 hour.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled.
$375.
Order filled.
Oh, stop. Okay.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
One more push up.
Order filled.
One more push up. Up to the top of the 9s, I mean. I don't mean anything more.
Order filled.
Okay, completely out of that debauchery of yuck. That was... it hit the stop of 02 before I could put it in. Look. Oh, no, it changed. I'm sorry, because it hit targets. Stop was 02, and I didn't have time to put the stop up to the 02. So I got lucky. Otherwise, I would have re-entered once I saw them doing what they were doing, though. Now we're starting to cook with some gas here. How's everybody doing? Tyson, wait, Nick, did you know that if it goes to 11, that means it went to if it goes to 16, that means it went through 11? Did you know that? Wait till it turns down again, right? Or traps, right? Because look at 14 on the 15 minute. It's saying, hey, hello, hi, remember me? All right, 1050 is your exit on the 1 minute. All right, now notice that we don't have really anything drawn besides on the 10 range, right? So that means chill out. Because everything says down now. Ooh, look, the 15 minutes close. It's close. Folks, hello, hi. My name is what? My name is who? My name is... Sideways. Look at your 10 range telling you what it's doing. Probing. Probulating. Nick, that's why we stop having expectations. They might run them the other way, guys. Ooh, oofta, oofta. Where's Niall? Niall. Decision point. They might got it. They might got him now. They might got him. Watch 21. need to make $14.05 so I can get that max drawdown to 5,000 again. You son of a bitch. All right. Oh, it's so hard to just push the button.
Order filled.
Oh, it's so hard to just push the button. See if I can get the exact tie. Okay, there's a large offer at 20.
Order filled.
See, some of you are making this too hard. How much money do you need to make per hour to beat your job? What, 40 bucks? 50 bucks? Okay, so what if you can figure out how to push the button 4 times? Okay, you lose 2 of them, but 2 of them win you the 60 bucks you need because you have $10 for taxes. What's wrong with that strategy? What am I missing? Right? Are we making this too difficult? Am I gonna have to punch myself in the face? No, I'm kidding. I'm absolutely kidding. What do I gotta do to get you to? I was looking at the target thing on my Stream Deck. Why does it say be right back? Okay, hold on, let me fix this. Organic, you're getting it right, by the way. Martin, yes, verbally, right? Now you are to say 4 Hail Marys and a blessing. You understand what I'm telling you? Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? Are you, Martin, do you keep trying to short? It's that stern look. Okay, 1375 was your leg sweep. Right now, Martin, let me tell you where I gave up on the sells. Okay, and I'm just going to show you in the 2-minute chart. Right here. Just admit defeat right here. Wow. Ah. Oh, you kept trying to go long. Well, dum-dum. I did too. I was red, brother. Don't worry. I was red. You saw my account. You can see it. Okay, I don't need to make any more in that 21. Let's work on 22 now. Let's work on 22. Okay, and if I have to take one in 21, I will. If it's absolutely Deutschne. Okay, otherwise, we're going to finish up clearing up the profit targets. Basically, this one's at target. It's only about $100 off or so, maybe less. This one needs work. I'm going to work on this one here because if we can get this downturn to resume, we're talking some Deutschne price action. Deutschne PA. Deutschne PA. Deutschne PA. Bis da blätt. Hey, yes, I know a little Russian. Yeah, she's not very tall. She's not very tall. Thank you. I'll be here all night. Thank you. I'll be here all night. All right, guys. Those of you that are held accountable to me, you better be DMing me, or you're getting punched in the face. Verbally by me, or I'll have Elijah do it. How about that? You guys want to get yelled at by me or Elijah? Take your pick. If you're struggling and you haven't been DMing me, okay, you can pick your poison, me, myself, or Elijah. Feel free to choose which one it is. Because here's the deal. As Organics has been finding out, okay, and as Quentin has been finding out, you're not here to pay me to tell you what you want to hear. You're here to pay me to tell you what you need to hear. And you know what you need to hear? Okay, you know what you need to hear, everybody? All of you? Okay, it's what you don't want to hear. It's going to pull back first. Yeah, hey, Martin, remember this next time you think about that. I got your fucking pullback right here in my fucking pants. All right? There's your fucking pullback. There's your fucking pullback. All right? Here. Look at this. Look at the chat. I fucking own you. Right? Tell the market that. Do that look that you see right there. I fucking own you. Luce, tell him. Watch Luce will tell you. I fucking own you. See, we're past the 1 minute so we can cuss, right? You can't cuss on the first minute of YouTube. Did you guys see, those of you that watch the big degenerate gamblers, you see that they've edited all their videos to where they don't cuss? You guys see that? I think that's absolutely fantastic. It just shows the degeneracy, the true degeneracy of them. You can watch me lose millions of Bitcoin per hour. Okay, but if I cuss, I'm going to beep it out, all right? Let's keep that safe. Quentin B, let's go. Quentin B was the last winner of the Easter egg, folks. I want to remind everyone there's an Easter egg in this Sunday's review and rev up. If you have not watched it and if you have not found it, please do so while we wait for the market to tell us what in the frick it's going to do. I'm green about $960.60 after commissions in my PAs. So we're looking juice here. I'm gonna bolster this second one here. I need to get it to about 900. And so if you're wondering what I do, folks, is I try to trade until it stops me from trading. Either I have a loss limit on each one of these, okay, which makes it to where I don't lose the account. But it's a wide enough loss limit that it's not going to screw with me per trade. Okay, and then I have a daily target that I got to hit because the mathematical calculations for payouts are very importante. Mucho importante. Okay, 1375 is your leg sweep. 2075 is your Wappleton. Okay, I've decided on the next payout, we're gonna figure out which pairs of these shoes I'm gonna wear next as the lucky shoes. We're gonna let everybody vote, and I've got some pretty fire shoes. Now they will only be worn in the office. They will no longer be for resale, but on the next payout, which is in about 5 days. Now, I want to remind, where is Organic? Are you still here? If not, good job. Quentin, are you starting to figure out when the best time to trade is, buddy? And are you starting to realize why I keep telling you about separation? It's McQuinton, right? McQuinton B? Or is your name Bailey McQuinton? You can private message me that. You don't have to type it in. That's me thinking out loud. That's brain farts. How many of you guys have ever seen my favorite movie called Get Shorty, right? Where John Travolta is trying to teach Danny DeVito how to do the gangster look, where he looks at him, he's like, watch this, just watch this. He's like, I fucking own you. I own you. And then so then Danny DeVito tries it. He squints his eyes, and John Travolta's like, what are you doing? Were you sleepy? You tired? You telling me that you need to take a nap? If you've never seen the movie Get Shorty, fellas, ladies, not so much, gentlemen, if you've never seen the movie Get Shorty, please do yourself this favor, okay, and watch that movie. I promise you, you'll see why it's my favorite movie. Martin, do you see how good your notes are, buddy? You see what you see that your notes keep telling you to stop trading against the fucking signals? You see how it just says stop doing that? Okay, that's what my notes say every time. Be patient, stop trying to be right. 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 Martin, same notes, right? We can't have different notes. It's not possible. You can type in the other chat if you want, Martin. Stoffel. Good. Okay, now, Steve, have you ever seen part 2 of that? It's called Be Cool, where The Rock plays the gay bodyguard with the red bat and the red boots. Your notes are good. It's you that's a stupid twat. Okay, now that we have that identified, thank you, Martin. Thanks for sharing. Everybody, stupid twat. Chat. Now, folks, I'm not calling Martin names. Listen to me. There's no harsher of a critic than yourself. Right, Martin? Mr. Take a Walk, Martin? Did you take a walk, Martin? Because this is 2 days in a row. Chungus. Nice. And Martin, if you need a few minutes on the phone with me, there's brother, come on. You created the masterpiece. You put lipstick on the pig. Let's roll. Martin, I want you to private message me exactly what you're doing wrong in WhatsApp. I want you to private message me. I want you to take a few minutes. I want you to stop looking at the screens, and I want you to type down. I want you to type exactly what you're doing. I want you to type. Okay, now this is going to sound familiar to some of you. I want you to type the 3 things that you did wrong this morning, the 3 things that you did wrong yesterday, and I want you to see if they're the same thing. And I want you to type them in my private message. Okay. The rest of you, if you're on a call, if you're on regular calls with me, like Martin is, okay, like McQuinton is, okay, like Organic Trades, okay, and the rest of you, if you're on regular calls with me, you need to be private messaging me. You guys, you can cuss me out all day long. I will be, listen to me very, very clearly. I will be your whipping boy. I'm a big boy. I can handle it. I have children that are adults. You think they haven't said the worst things possible to me? Folks, come on now. Use me as your sounding board, right? If you're screwing up, okay, tell me what you're doing wrong, and I want you to type it out so you can feel it. Ooh, yeah, feel it. I want to see what 1475, 1375 does here. Do they rip it, smack it up, flip it down to the old 47s? We are outside narrow range. Oh, that is beautiful when it does that. I love it. I love this indicator. Look at when we go outside narrow range, it stops printing. Look. Boop. Oh, it's so beautiful. So sexy. Yes, it is so sexy. Severely seasonal sexy. Okay, you have a 1 minute, but I believe we're late. You have a 1 minute, but we're late, and we're pressing into the Wappleton of V's. 1825. Yeah, use the code SAGEFT at checkout. You could also use the code SAGEFT at, what's that one you did yesterday, Tyson? Okay, look at your delta. Look at your order, locals order flow, also known as delta. I just renamed it because I think of the locals, right? Think of the locals starting to sell into this price action. And now it doesn't mean that they're going to be right.
Order submitted.
Really?
Order canceled.
It doesn't mean that it's going to go down. It just means that there's people leaning into the bid. Wow, I just offered $14.50 and canceled it. Wow. Oh, okay. Show me the next move. I know what the next move is. This stream over to X.com.